In the year 480 BC, a shadow, darker than any eclipse, fell upon the land of Hellas. Xerxes, the great king of Persia, led an army so vast it stretched across the horizon, his ambition fueled by an insatiable hunger for conquest. His sights were set upon the defiant city-states of Greece, and amongst them, a tremor of fear began to ripple. While some city-states harbored rivalries and long-standing grievances, the looming shadow of Persian conquest forced them to confront a stark reality. Survival depended on unity. Sparta, under the leadership of the resolute King Leonidas, emerged as a beacon of hope. Recognizing the need for a unified front, Leonidas embarked on a monumental task, forging an alliance amidst a sea of suspicion and historical animosity. He traveled from city-state to city-state, his voice a clarion call for unity. He spoke of the existential threat they faced, the common enemy that threatened to extinguish their autonomy and subjugate their people. He reminded them of their shared heritage, their common ancestry, and the inherent value of preserving their freedom. His words resonated with some. The Athenian Themistocles, a man of cunning intellect and unwavering patriotism, recognized the truth in Leonidas' words. He saw the strategic advantage of a unified front, the potential for their combined forces to pose a formidable resistance against the overwhelming Persian might. However, the path to alliance was fraught with obstacles. Deep-seated rivalries simmered beneath the surface, casting long shadows of distrust. Corinth, harboring resentment towards Athens for past transgressions, hesitated to commit their forces. Others, blinded by self-interest, saw little benefit in joining the alliance, believing they could secure their own safety through neutrality. Leonidas, however, remained undeterred. He appealed to their sense of shared destiny, reminding them that the Persian threat transcended individual city-states. He argued that their individual survival was inextricably linked to a collective defense. He painted a stark picture of the consequences of inaction, the horrors that would befall them if they allowed the Persians to conquer Greece piece by piece. His unwavering resolve and the sheer magnitude of the Persian threat ultimately began to chip away at the walls of suspicion. City-states like Argos and Megara, recognizing the gravity of the situation, pledged their support. Slowly, the tide began to turn. The process of forging this alliance was a delicate dance, a constant negotiation between self-interest and collective survival. Leonidas, a master diplomat, navigated the treacherous waters of historical grievances, brokering compromises and offering assurances. He understood that unity was not a mere formality. It required trust, sacrifice, and a shared commitment to a common goal. Finally, after weeks of tireless effort, a fragile alliance was formed. It was a testament to the power of collective action, a triumph of reason over petty rivalries. It was a recognition that their individual survival was inextricably linked to a united front against the Persian onslaught. This alliance, though fragile, held immense value. By uniting under a single banner, the Greeks presented a much more formidable obstacle to the Persian advance. Their combined forces, though significantly smaller than the Persian army, possessed the advantage of strategic positioning and unified leadership. The internal dynamics of the alliance were complex. While Sparta played a crucial role in its formation, the question of leadership wasn't always clear-cut. Athens, with its powerful navy, held significant influence, and tensions could arise when strategic decisions needed to be made. Each city-state contributed differently to the alliance. Sparta, with its renowned military prowess, provided the bulk of the land forces. Athens, on the other hand, contributed its formidable navy, playing a vital role in the concurrent naval battle at Artemisium. Other city-states contributed resources, manpower, and logistical support. Friction and compromise were inevitable. Historical rivalries and differing political ideologies could still cause tension within the alliance. However, the overriding threat of Persian conquest forced them to find common ground and make concessions for the sake of collective survival. Maintaining communication and coordinating military actions across different city-states with varying levels of experience presented a significant challenge. Messengers played a crucial role in relaying information and ensuring coordinated efforts. Feeding and supplying a large army posed a logistical hurdle. The alliance likely relied on a combination of prearranged supplies, contributions from participating city-states, and foraging in the surrounding area. The decision to defend Thermopylae was not merely a tactical choice. It was a calculated move to utilize the narrow pass to their advantage, maximizing the effectiveness of their smaller force against the vast Persian army. This alliance, though temporary, fostered a sense of shared Greek identity and a collective consciousness against external threats. This sentiment would continue to play a role in future conflicts and contribute to the development of a broader Hellenic identity. The sacrifice of the Spartans at Thermopylae, though a tragedy, became a powerful symbol of courage and unwavering resolve. It served as a rallying cry for the Greeks and a stark reminder of the cost of defending their freedom. The story of the Greek alliance at Thermopylae is not merely a tale of military strategy. It is a testament to the human capacity for unity in the face of overwhelming adversity. It is a story of leaders like Leonidas, who recognized the power of collective action and tirelessly pursued the path of unity despite the challenges. It is a reminder that even the most disparate entities can find common ground when their very survival hangs in the balance. This fragile alliance, forged in the crucible of fear and necessity, would forever be etched in the annals of Greek history. It served as a beacon of hope, a testament to the enduring power of unity, and a reminder that even the smallest flame of resistance can ignite a fire that consumes even the mightiest empires. However, the Greeks knew their struggle was far from over. The Persian juggernaut, though wounded by the sacrifice at Thermopylae, remained a formidable force. Whispers of the upcoming clash at Plataea hung heavy in the air, a grim reminder that the fight for freedom was only just beginning. Despite the uncertainty that loomed, a newfound spirit of unity had taken root amongst the Greeks. The sacrifice at Thermopylae had served as a potent catalyst, solidifying their resolve and forging a sense of shared destiny. They knew that while the road ahead would be arduous, they would face it together, their alliance a shield against the Persian onslaught. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the land, the Greeks looked towards the future with a mixture of trepidation and newfound determination. The echoes of the Spartan stand at Thermopylae would continue to resonate, a constant reminder of the price of freedom and the unwavering courage required to defend it. The fragile alliance they had forged held the potential to rewrite the course of history, a testament to the enduring power of collective action in the face of overwhelming odds. Thank you for watching. Please comment below what you would like to see next.